Aloha, and welcome to this brief tutorial on online learning. We'd like to welcome you to this website, and if you're interested in taking online courses, we do hope this tutorial is valuable for you. Or if you've taken online courses in the past, but maybe struggled to get through those online courses, we hope this tutorial will help you to develop and build your skills. Expectations are very important to think about when online learning. Interestingly, some instructors might have different expectations for their online courses as compared to their in-class courses. Before we move on, it's important to cover definitions of distance learning. These definitions are going to be used interchangeably throughout this tutorial and throughout the website. Sometimes students taking online courses are referred to as distance learners or online learners. Sometimes they're referred to as online students or distance students, and other times they're referred to as DE, meaning distance education, or DE students or DE learners. Have no fear, all of these definitions or concepts really mean the same thing. They're all referring to students taking online courses. Now, we mentioned this previously, but instructors usually have certain expectations of online students, so it's important that we go over those expectations. For one, online students are expected to be self-starters. Online learners are expected to be self-starters, meaning that they are motivated to work independently and really don't need many reminders to complete assignments on time. Online students are also expected to be organized. Online learners really need to use their time wisely and should be willing to communicate and learn in different ways. Online learners are also expected to be active, meaning that they are willing to put in the time needed to study and actively participate in online class activities like discussions, group work, and assignments. Online learners should also communicate often. It's expected that these learners communicate frequently, get their assignments in on time, and discuss questions or concerns they have with their instructor over email or a different form of technology. Online learners are also expected to have regular access to a computer. It's imperative that these learners have access to a computer or electronic device that meets basic requirements. Online learners are also expected to have basic computer skills. Now, these computer skills should be basic enough that allow the learner to navigate the internet with ease. Minimum computer skills include also the ability to download and install files from the internet, the ability to create, save, and upload documents, knowledge in navigating the internet, proficient use in search engines for research, ability to send and receive emails with attachments, file management skills, meaning copying files from a flash drive or an internet cloud service to a specific hard drive or uploading an assignment through the internet. And lastly, online learners should have good word processing skills, such as knowing how to create, open, save, print, and edit files and documents. Online learners are also expected to reach out to student support services. Here at Honolulu Community College, we offer a variety of online student support services, including online tutoring, library, counseling, academic advising, and more. And last but not least, online learners are expected to purchase, rent, or download any necessary course content listed on their course syllabus. All right. So now we have a better idea of really what it takes to be an online learner and the different types of student expectations. Let's talk for a brief second about course expectations. Online learners are expected to check in with their course at least 1 to 2 days per week. In essence, students should actually be checking their Laulima once daily. Online learners should also create a routine for successful course completion. This means setting up a schedule for you to actively study and complete your homework. Online learners are also expected to read the syllabus. The syllabus is a key component in any online course because it often contains dates and times that learners must be aware of. And online learners are also expected to mark down assignment dates. We recommend placing assignment dates in a calendar system, whether you have a handmade personal calendar or an online calendar. Online students are also expected to tour their online courses. That means going through an entire course, clicking on buttons, and seeing where all of the different aspects of the course lie within the course management system. Online students are expected to check their UH email daily. Online students are also expected to reach out, meaning that if they have questions or concerns, they're emailing their professor, contacting peers, or reaching out to the various student support services at Honolulu Community College. And last but not least, online students are expected to contact their instructor at the very beginning of every online course. All right, so let's kind of wrap up what we've just covered in terms of expectations for online students and courses. We looked at a variety of different definitions referring to students. All of those definitions mean the same thing, referring to students taking courses online. We also looked at various student expectations for successful learner completion. And we looked at course expectations, what it takes for you to be successful in an online course.